Snoring can be more than just a nighttime nuisance. It can affect the quality of your sleep and your health. Here are 10 reasons for snoring and their solutions. 1. Sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause snoring. Try sleeping on your side. 2. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol relaxes throat muscles, leading to snoring. Limit intake before bed. 3. Overweight. Excess weight around the neck can cause snoring. Aim for a healthy weight. 4. Nasal issues. Congestion can obstruct airways. Use nasal strips or a humidifier. 5. Smoking. Smoking irritates throat tissues. Quitting can reduce snoring. 6. Sleep apnea. A serious condition where breathing stops temporarily. Seek medical advice. 7. Medications. Some sedatives can increase snoring. Consult with your doctor. 8. Dehydration. Dry throat can cause snoring. Stay well hydrated. 9. Mouth anatomy. A low, thick, soft palate can narrow airways. Consider seeing a specialist. 10. Age. As you age, your throat becomes narrower. Throat exercises can help. Remember, addressing snoring can lead to better sleep and health. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and solutions.